Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm gonna just do a little review of my roof basket that I had purchased for my 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. I'm out here camping and thought I'd take the opportunity to go over what I had to do to make it work. Hopefully I'm able to put the info in the description box below. This is gonna be for the crossbars as far as the brand off Amazon right there. Hopefully you could read that. Crossbars, slight issues on getting these keys to lock, and basically you've got your key and there's a piece of metal that'll rotate and lock. So the thing was, I ended up having to grind off some of that metal so that it could lock. I'm gonna see if I could edit what I'm talking. Okay, so as I attempted to install the crossbars, I had to come back inside and trying to really slap these on while it's sprinkling outside, and I was having issues with these locking. So what I did was I took a little grinder that I have and just did it on both sides. I hit it with the grinder. You could barely probably tell with this camera, but anyways, I've done it to both sides. Now they do lock, so just a heads up on that if you are to purchase the Amazon, let me see, the Amazon brand, which is this one right here. That's the only issue I had. You could probably do that with a Dremel. I obviously kind of quickly came back inside and set everything on a table, but anyways, that's all you really have to do. I'll be doing that to the other two right here. This is the grinder that I'm using, like I said. So I'll be back at it again with a little update as I keep going. About over into the video, but if not, I'm gonna still just try to mention it out there. If you purchase these, that locking pad is partially going to be an issue when you go to insert it and you try to rotate it, or even so the problem is it doesn't even drop all the way in, and so I just took a little grinder and took off some of that metal. After that, it worked out. Other than that, it's been holding up. That was the only issue. As far as the roof basket, I forgot the brand on that, but that was also off Amazon. I'll put that in the description box. Easy assembly, came well packaged, and I needed it to be at least over 50 inches because I have a canopy that's about 51 and this basket measured 58, so that worked out perfect for me. That way the canopy didn't take so much room inside, and that's the reason why I went with that length on it. I'll probably be throwing a sticker up in the front of that, but I mean, I'm sure you guys might have seen other roof basket assemblies, pretty much the same. The center piece, which is the extension here, is what you put the screws into and basically just put it all together. And then here's the brackets that hold them down. As far as the Subaru Crosstrek, I think The other thing with the crossbars, going back to that, typically it's better to have help so that you could extend the crossbars. Me doing it as one person, I would loosen the bolts that allow you to extend and lock, and my issue was I couldn't get a full lockdown on one, and I'd go to the other side and I'd pull it, it would slide off this railing. So as far as the crossbars, maybe 2 people would be a lot easier. Just again, it's a good roof basket so far, and pretty much should wrap this video up. I don't really see what other information I could give out other than I'll put this stuff in the description box, and if you guys like it, purchase it. So thanks for watching, guys.